Hello, my friends. So it is official. New stimulus checks worth up to $500 will begin going out to low-income households in just a few weeks. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer and House Speaker Nancy Pelosi are now under pressure to increase monthly benefits for all current recipients. Democrats are now changing the price tag of the next stimulus package. So, my friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for all of the new details. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. To enter any of the giveaways, simply click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. And friends, the more often you comment below keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the $75 gift card.
And trust. Americans prefer to be educated and not indoctrinated. Americans prefer caring over criticism. Patients prefer good bedside manner from their caregivers. We know from the vaccine trials that some vaccinated patients still get COVID. We learned that vaccinated patients were less likely to become seriously ill from COVID and were less likely to be hospitalized. We also know that some patients with certain health conditions are at a greater risk of more severe disease from COVID. We also know that viruses produce variants. So even if 100% of the globe was vaccinated, unfortunately, we are still dealing with COVID-19 in some form or another.
Missouri residents who file income taxes will be eligible for a $500 tax credit under a new Republican proposal that Democrats are currently negotiating on. The proposal by the Republican House budget leader would set aside $1 billion in state funding for the tax credits. Married couples filing jointly would get $1,000 under this plan. Top House Republicans said passing the tax break will be the main priority as lawmakers near their mid-May deadline. This is to finalize the legislation. The House Speaker and other top House members said in a statement, Republicans do not support the idea of spending every available dollar to increase the size of the government, but instead believe individual Missourians are the best decision makers for how to spend their tax dollars. Friends, there are a few House Democrats that have criticized the measure as a tax break that would not help the state's poorest. Democrats had proposed setting aside $100 million to give $1,000 checks to poor families who have struggled with housing or food insecurity. Republicans voted that measure down. St. Louis, Missouri Democratic Representative Kevin Windham said that the Republican proposal is similar to his previous pitch for stimulus checks, but has the inverse impact. Kevin Windham also said, Missourians know the difference between a stimulus check and a tax break, so House Republicans should be ashamed of this proposal. So, my friends, should U.S. states provide a tax break or another stimulus check? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Colorado River. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Colorado River, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my friends. President Biden and congressional Democrats are facing immense pressure to boost federal crisis-related unemployment benefits for millions of American workers as this crisis continues to surge and job growth slows. There have been a total of 3 federal jobless aid programs. The programs that were first put in place by the former president's administration lapsed months ago. At a time, an estimated 7.5 million unemployed workers lost all of their extra benefits. According to estimates from the Century Foundation, an additional 3 million Americans stopped receiving a $300 weekly boost to their unemployment benefits that were provided by their state. Economists and advocates are continuing to push Democrats and Republicans to pass legislation that would boost unemployment benefits. On May 2nd, NBC News reported that Republican lawmakers in Iowa voted to reduce the number of weeks that jobless Iowans can receive unemployment benefits from 26 weeks to 16 weeks. Also, the legislation will force those receiving benefits to settle for lower-paying jobs quickly instead of being allowed to take the time to pursue work that pays at least as well as their previous positions. Opponents say the legislation will harm both workers and businesses, as those who are forced to accept jobs they don't want will increase turnover by quickly leaving their new employers in pursuit of something better. Back in February of this year, Republican lawmakers in Kentucky voted to slash the number of weeks that their jobless constituents can receive benefits from 26 weeks to 24 weeks. But that number would drop even further by more than just 12 weeks when the state's unemployment rate is lower than the 4.5% as it is now. Next door to Kentucky is the state of West Virginia, where lawmakers are pursuing a nearly identical plan to cut jobless benefits. But the legislation there is even more severe. And if the law passes, West Virginia would have the weakest unemployment protections in the country. It would reduce the time that jobless West Virginians can receive benefits from 26 weeks to 20 weeks, no matter the state's jobless rate. So, my friends, are unemployment benefits hindering people from going back to work? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, my wonderful and amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for now. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I truly and greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. The two winners of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway are Alan Foss and Francine Adams. Congratulations, my dear friends. Please note, if I have announced you as the winner, do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Remember, friends, I will be giving away 4 Walmart gift cards every week. To enter any of the giveaways, all you have to do, friends, is click and like several of my videos, and then listen for the keyword and enter that keyword in the comment section below. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday.